What's up guys, iAndroidChris or Christopherkenyatta Sese-Khalid Jr. here, and today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips or tricks about staying safe online so that way you guys can protect yourself when you're on the internet, on social media platforms, and other things that are online. In the last video I talked to you guys about some of my likes, and before that I talked to you guys about my history of my name and who I am, my full name being Christopherkenyatta Sese-Khalid Jr. But anyways guys, let's get right to it. So number one for online safety is the blocking mechanism. Blocking is not weak and is something that you should do if you don't like someone. Let's say that someone is giving you a hard time online, or you don't like the person, or they keep on, just bothering you in general, or you just find them annoying. You don't want them in your life, or just in general, you just don't like the person. All you have to do is go to your social media platform or on your phone. You can it's super easy to just block the person. You don't have to be afraid to block someone, and you're not weak doing it. It's just something, you're just letting the person know, hey, I don't want you to be a part of my life, or hey, I don't want you to, be like, I just don't want you near me. It's that simple. Just block the person. It's not something that you should be afraid to do. Number two, and this goes for content creators or entertainers or people who are, giving out to the masses of online, focus on your own content creation. If you're a fan of someone else's, you could support them as well, and, always, thank your supporters, but just focus on your own content creation. Don't worry about what other people got going on if you're not, interested at all. You don't have to go to the other person's page if you're not interested in it, or if you don't like what they got going on. Just focus on your own content creation, or focus on who you watch or who you're a fan of. If you're, if you're not really a content creator, just focus on the things that you like online. And I know the internet is a free speech, and you're always going to see something that you don't like, but it's very easy to, like, let's say on Twitter, you can easily just go and click don't show on my feed, or if you're on Instagram, simply just unfollow the person if you don't like them. That also goes back to the blocking mechanism. If you don't like what they're doing, you don't want to see them ever again, you could just, hit the block button. That easy. But that's number two. Just focus on your own content creation. If you're a content creator, and if you're a fan of someone else's, you could easily just support them, or whoever you're a fan of or watching. Is that simple. So number two. Number three, and this also goes back to number two, focus on what makes you happy. If you like, making tech videos, if you like photography, if you like, creating digital artwork, just do that. Just do what makes you happy. You don't have to be a people pleaser. People pleasing can get you in a lot of trouble. People pleasing can get you caught up. If you want to be a people pleaser, go smile, in front of someone else, and that will get you caught up. You know what I'm saying? So, do what makes you happy. You don't always have to be a people pleaser. Not everyone who you're people pleasing may like you. You know what I'm saying? So just, do what makes you happy, because doing something else may not align with someone else's focus, and if they unfollow you, who cares? You don't have to people please all the time. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to do it, from time to time. If, like, let's say, you're trying to build up your following, or like you're trying to, but as long as it makes you happy, you know what I'm saying? That's okay. But if it's not making you happy, just don't do it. It's not that hard to not do something. No one's in control of you. You're in control of what you like to do. You know what I'm saying? Number four, don't focus on the haters. They're there to just get in your head and stop you from what you're trying to do or what you're trying to accomplish. So, like, let's say someone calls you fake, or stop being fake, or, I don't like you, they say all these mean things, mean comments, whatever. That's why I said earlier, just simply block the person, or you can easily delete the comment. If they get in your head, take a break for a little bit from social media, take a step back, enjoy life. You know what I'm saying? If your social media platform is your outlet, then just easily block the person. But, like, don't let these people, these haters get in your, who cares about these? Like, who cares about what they hate? We don't care about what a hater hates. You know what I'm saying? It's not their say so. They don't control you. You know what I'm saying? They can, you know, talk behind your back, whatever, this, that, and the third. But, you know, don't let these haters get in your head. Just keep going. Focus on the people who support you. Focus on your fans. Focus on the people who like you. And, you know, you'll be better off that way. Trust me. Number 5. There's going to be a lot of, you know, different types of people on the internet. The internet was here and it was created for information. So, you know, like I said earlier, back to number 1, if you don't like someone or if you don't like, you know, what you're seeing, simply just remove it from your feed or block it. But that's basically what the internet is for information. So you're going to see a lot of freedom of speech, and you're going to see a lot of things that you may not like yourself, or you may see some things that you do like, or you might get some, you know, different types of, you know, history from the past. You know, basically the internet is here for information. So like I said before, I do know mental health is a big thing when it comes to the internet. So that's why you should just probably just, you know, take a step back, enjoy life. You know, there's so much out here, you know, breathe air, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the internet is here for information. Number 6, you don't always have to follow the crowd when you're online. You don't always have to follow the trend online if it's, you know, not something that makes you happy. Do what makes you happy when you're on the internet, or do what makes you happy on your platform. That, you know, the main reason why social media is a thing is to express yourself online, or express or show your talent, show your artwork, you know. But you don't always have to follow the crowd, because when you're following a crowd, sometimes it can get you in a lot of trouble, or it can make you do something that you have no business doing on the internet, is what I'm trying to say. So basically, always, you know, do what you want to do. If you want to follow a trend and it makes you happy, you can do that. But if it doesn't, if it's not aligning with your goals, or if it's not aligning with what you want to do, or who you are online, or who you are, you know, as a person, don't do it. You don't have to do it. You know what I'm saying? Just express yourself how you want to express yourself. Do what you want to do on the internet, and yeah, don't always have to follow the crowd. And number 7 is practice security when you're online. This should be number 1, but I want to keep blocking at number 1. But practice security when you're on a public network. You know, download a VPN so that way you don't get got, you don't get your information taken away from you. There's a lot of people on the internet who, you know, like to steal information from you. You know what I'm saying? So if you're on a public network, download a VPN so that way you can stay safe and you don't get hijacked, or you don't get any of your information stolen. You know, always use a strong password. Always, you know, just stay safe when you're online. So yeah, that's going to be number 7. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. My name is Christopherkenyattasesekhalid Jr. I'm going to be posting a lot of links in the link description box below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, where I post all my photography, all my articles, all my magazines, all my publications, basically everything that I do. You know, follow that on Instagram. And also make sure you guys, you know, locate me on Google, Christopherkenyattasesekhalid Jr. or iAndroidChris, where all my links will appear on the page. I will be posting a lot more and more often. There's going to be a lot more, you know, I'm going to be doing a lot more online. So, you know, make sure you guys watch out for that, because I will be doing that. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. My name is Christopherkenyattasesekhalid Jr., codename iAndroidChris, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you for watching.